Have you ever messed up on a full set? Well, I have. Let me show you how I transformed those ugly Dior into this really cute sunflower design. What's up, beauty crew, and welcome back to She Does Beauty. And if you're new, hello. So we are going to be doing a super bright yellow set. Let's go ahead and get started by ombreing this yellow glitter into our peach. I wanted to do kind of one last summer nail on myself, so I went ahead and chose a super electric neon-y yellow glitter. I will link that down in the description below. And I was gonna do some Dior nail foils on there, but that didn't really turn out how I wanted it to, because just number one tip, always seal your foils with a top coat and then encapsulate them. I don't know if I just didn't know that, if I forgot that, but I just was like, what? So we're gonna make the best out of it, and thank goodness for nail decals, because literally if they're opaque enough, they can cover up all of your mistakes. Now for the middle and ring finger, I am going to go back in with that cover peach and ombre that out and add a little bit of a mixture of white and clear, and just to have it as a base for the foils, well, now decals. Alright, so next we're going to apply foil glue to the tips of those ombre nails, and we're going to cure those for 60 seconds, bring them back out, and lay down our Dior foil. To make sure I get full coverage, I like to just rub on it really well, and then I lift up from one side, I rub the other side, and then I lift up. So I kind of go one side to the other. That way you can kind of get more of an idea of what's staying on the nail. Okay, so now that that one is on there nice and pretty opaque, they look really good. I wish it would have stayed. So next, what you should have done, what I should have done, is take a clear top coat and apply that to the foil, and just do a nice generous top coat, because when you encapsulate, it's gonna bleed. This is where I started messing up, and yeah, everything started bleeding out. The Dior was just super unlegible and really funky looking. You can see it there. It's starting to look like a honeycomb design or something. I don't know. But anywho, you gotta encapsulate it. So I'm just gonna encapsulate those two nails, and we will add some decals to kind of cover it up and be a band-aid, but this is what I really wanted to do, was call it a day. So I did have to take a step away from this set because it was a little frustrating and didn't work out. But what I did next was I took that foil glue and I just applied that to the tips, and I'm gonna take my water decals that I created on, I think it was like Word and Photoshop honestly, and I'm just gonna apply that to the nail and then start ombreing that in. It's okay to me that they're not really wide enough to cover the entire tip because I'm just gonna add more of that nude just so I can, you know, just give it something to work with and have it ombreed out a little bit more. The paper I use for the water decals is water transfer paper from Amazon. I can link that down below as well. And it's very simple. You print out what you want, you add a top coat, and you just put it in the water and it transfers right off. After your decals are securely on the nail, we're going to go ahead and start the ombre into the picture. Next, I'm just adding a little bit of glitter just to give it a little something something and just to make me smile because glitter is really pretty and who doesn't love a little glitter? Now, because they were encapsulated twice, they are going to be a little bit thick, so just take your nail file and file them down if you ever have that problem. But this is how I saved my nail fail and turned it into a nail second place, you know. They're okay, they're not the greatest nail set, not bad for winging it and just on the fly. But I hope this is an option if you ever do mess up on your nails or clients' nails, just cover it up with the water decal band-aid. But thank you for joining me today, beauty crew. I hope you have a fabulous day, and if you're new, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.